Working with a team requires having all your members on board, and Calilio allows you to add members to your Calilio Workspace in a unified workspace in just a few clicks. This gives you the flexibility to work with individual logins and makes it easy to track members' productivity and statistics powered by AI. Let's find out how you can add members to your Calilio Workspace. Step 1. Log in to your Calilio account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Click on Members in the Settings menu. Locate Invite Members at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Add members' details such as name and email. Assign a role, admin or member. Choose the role as per your requirements. Then click on Send Invite. Make the payment to confirm the invite sent. Once the member accepts the invite, they will be able to log in with their individual email to your Calilio Workspace.